Hi, Decibels Lab Pvt Ltd has established a EV Lab COE in Rajarambapu Institute of Technology. Under that lab setup, we have covered the advanced EV powertrain density. As a part of this equipment, I will walk you through the components which are on the vehicle setup. Starting with the battery pack. Battery pack comes with different configurations of a NMC with a format of 26650. It comes with a nominal voltage of 48 volts and 26 Ah, and here we have a contactor setup. We have used two contactor setup, one is pre-charge contactor and one more is the main contactor. Continuation with this, we have used the DC-DC converter. Just it is step downing the voltage for all the auxiliary systems which is on the vehicle setup. And continuation with that part, we have a motor controller unit. We can also call it as an inverter, which plays a major role between the battery pack to the motor. As part of this setup, we have a CAN communication protocol where we are reading a multiple CANs like different ECUs, BMS ECU and the MCU ECU. And at the end, we have a regenerative simulator. Just the participants or the learners can utilize the benefits of a regenerative simulations with the help of the regenerative motor. And here we are using a rope load setup where we can apply an external load into a kg that can be utilized into a torque calculations and the motor efficiency calculations. This equipment can be introduced in academics where electrical engineers who is starting as foundations, we can conduct several experiments like 8 to 10 experiments starting from a startup sequence and a shutdown sequence, and they can study the voltage architecture across the different components such as like a traction battery voltage, auxiliary voltage, throttle voltages and all the phase voltages. And continuation with that, they can perform the motor characteristics test and they can perform a regenerative characteristics tests, the things which is related to the fault switches. They can induce a faults and they can ask the students to troubleshoot and diagnose the faults what we have injected. We have a software called Savican and some other softwares where it can be interfaced with the components. Thank you.